Hello, I'll show you the trick to solve this quadratic equation. 15x squared plus 16x plus 4 is equal to 0. So let's start with the tricks. First, we will write these two terms, x squared plus 16x. Then we will slide this 15 to the 4 and then multiply them. So we have 15 times 4, which is 60, and it is equal to 0. Since this is a quadratic equation, always we will have two factors, and these factors is equal to 0. The product is 0, right? Then you ask yourself what times what will give you x squared. We have x times x will give us x squared. Then we will find two values that when you multiply them, you will get 60, but when you sum them up, you will get 16, and the values are 10 and 6. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 plus 6 is 16, right? So we will write 6 here, and then we will write the 10 here. Then still we haven't forgotten this 15. We will take this 15 again and then divide this 6 by the 15 and then divide this 10 also by the 15. So with this one we have x plus 3 goes into 6 2 times and then goes into 15 5 times. So we have 2 over 5. Then from here we have x plus 5 goes into 10 2 and then goes into 15 3. So we have 2 over 3, and this is equal to 0. Now from here, as we know already, x plus 2 over 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 over 3 is equal to 0. If you subtract each side of this equation by minus 2 over 5, you will get x is equal to minus 2 over 5. Or from this equation, if you subtract 2 over 3 from each side, we get x is equal to minus 2 over 3. And these are the solutions to the problem. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you again on another trick. Bye bye.